Discreet welcomes you to a new era of smart residential technology with its brand Onetouch and Coalesce. Onetouch is an SIP-based IP video door phone system with built-in 3-tier security, access control, and unlimited intercom with society management software. Guard phone. Verify your visitor at main gate from your indoor monitor and from your mobile app too. Video entry station. Authorized users can use and visitors can be authenticated by dialing the apartment. Smart doorbell. On suspicious movement outside your apartment, Smart doorbell will automatically send alarm on your mobile. Onetouch SIP video indoor monitor is the heart of your home. Register your apartment complaints with predefined complaint management and advertisement about special discounts from your neighboring stores. Indoor monitor is equipped with IP camera monitoring and smart alarm panel. It includes sensors like motion sensor, magnetic door sensor, gas leak detector, and much more. Panic pendant. Never panic, send alarm, no matter how far you are. Onetouch smart gas detector, integrated with video door phone, can send instant alarm to residential society management software, guard phone, and your mobile app. Digital door lock. Welcome your visitors from anywhere. Just one touch and unlock the door. Coalesce. It is a centralized distribution enclosure which receives all incoming services from ISP like broadband, IPTV, FTTH, telephony, satellite cable TV, and then distributes and connects to all in-home technology devices like LCD or LED, media servers, home theater gaming console, wireless, multiple set-top boxes, computer or laptop. So no more untidy wires inside the apartment. Achieve the ultimate balance of lifestyle, convenience and control, along with communication and security with Discreet.